Today we're going to be taking a look at this website about women's suffrage and how women resisted, what strategies they used to win the vote. And it's a little confusing how to navigate through here, so I have a little screencast to show you what to do. You have the main menu here, and on the left-hand side you'll see these series of purple bubbles that you can click through for each sort of label or part of the story in the menu. And do the map last. You'll click here to begin. There's a little video to see first. Okay. And then you come here to the menu, and you will have a view of all the different strategies in their bubbles over here. So then when you click on one, for example, street speaking, you click begin, and then you click through the labels here, the little purple dots. You click through there one by one. And you can go back to the menu anytime or back to the intro anytime.